Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. A deep, rushing river suddenly blocks Timo's path. The water moves too fast to swim across safely. There is no bridge in sight, and night is approaching. A new word becomes important in this moment: circumvent. Circumvent means to find a way around an obstacle instead of going through it. Trying to force his way across the river would be dangerous. Timo walks along the riverbank and discovers a fallen tree forming a natural crossing upstream. He carefully crosses there, avoiding the strongest current. Soon the river is behind him and his journey continues. Timo remembers that to circumvent means to work around a barrier instead of fighting it. And he feels clever knowing some problems are solved by choosing a different path.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.